Hello Muggles and welcome back to my Harry Potter Kitchen, the web series where I am creating a recipe for every food and drink item featured in the Harry Potter series. If you missed last week's recipe where we made these Hogwarts house-inspired lemon ice lollies, then click the link down below in the description to catch up. But it's Magic Monday, so let's see what recipes we've got today. If you're new to the series and you love Harry Potter, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and you'll get an alert every Monday when there is a brand new video. I'm a little bit cold from the choc ices and the lemon ice lollies, so let's go see if we've got a slightly warmer recipe this week. Okay, so we're still at the zoo for Dudley's birthday. They've just had some ice creams and now they're walking around. Harry has seen a gorilla scratching his head just like Dudley, and then they move into the afternoon. It's lunchtime, so obviously back at the food again. They've gone to a zoo restaurant. Dudley's having another Oh, I found our next recipe. They ate in the zoo restaurant, and when Dudley had a tantrum because his Knickerbocker Glory wasn't big enough. Sorry guys, we're making ice cream again. For this recipe, you will need 500 milliliters of double cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for your ice cream base. I'm also going to flavour these with our house pride colours, so you'll need some red, blue, yellow and green food colouring, 1 teaspoon of strawberry flavouring, 50 grams of tinned blackberries, 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract, 50 grams of mint chopped chips, half a tablespoon of honey, 25 grams of stemmed ginger, 1 tablespoon of fruit cocktail per sundae, and also some strawberry sauce, squirty cream, and sprinkles to decorate. We're going all in. Okay, so for this recipe, we're using the same ice cream base as our choc ice. So if you haven't seen that, you can get ahead by clicking on the link in the description and checking that out. But I'll also give you a walkthrough if you missed it. Pour your double cream into a bowl and whisk until it forms soft peaks. Add in your condensed milk and your vanilla extract and continue whisking until it forms stiff peaks. You can then separate your mixture into 4 before we begin flavouring them with our house pride colours. As it's my Harry Potter kitchen, we need to put a bit of Hogwarts magic into these recipes, so each of the ice creams I use in this Knickerbocker Glory are going to be inspired by our houses. Gryffindor are going to be full with strawberries, our Ravenclaws are going to be flavoured with blackberries, which aren't black, they're blue. Our Slytherin ones are going to be mint choc chip, and our Hufflepuff ones are going to be honey and ginger. We'll start nice and simple with our Gryffindor recipe, which I'm going to use strawberry flavouring for this, and the only reason is because real strawberries in ice cream don't have the same flavour as when you use an extract, so just get a good quality strawberry flavouring, and I've also used some red food colouring. Make sure your flavours are nicely combined and then pour your mix into a Tupperware box. Pop the lid on and then place it into the freezer to set for 3 to 4 hours. Next up is Ravenclaw, and for this one I've taken my blackberries and popped them into a food processor and blended it into a nice smooth paste. It's then a simple job of adding this into your whipped cream, but you don't want to add too much in case it makes your mixture too runny. So just a tablespoon or so will do, mix it through, and if you're happy, leave it at that. If you want a bit more, add it in and then keep on mixing. You can also add in some blue food colouring to give it that extra pop, place it into your Tupperware and then into the freezer to set. For the mint chocolate chip Slytherin ice cream, I have used some extract again, this time peppermint, along with some milk chocolate chips. Add in some food colouring to give it that extra pop, mix them through the ice cream mixture, popped it into the Tupperware and into the freezer to set. And last but by no means least is the honey and stem ginger ice cream for Hufflepuff. This is actually my favourite one to make, and for this you'll need to dice 1 piece of stem ginger until it's nice and fine, adding it into your ice cream mixture. Stir through your tablespoon of honey. Again, add in some food colouring to give it that extra pop. Mix it through until it's well combined and then pop it into your Tupperware and into the freezer to set. To make this sundae as authentic as possible, I'm using my Sundae glass, which I actually got from Hogsmeade in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Of course, if you don't have one, you can just use a standard sundae glass or even a bowl. To begin assembling, you'll want to add your layer of fruit cocktail into the bottom of your sundae dish. Try not to get too much liquid in here as we don't want it to be too wet. Next, you'll want to add a scoop of each of your Hogwarts inspired ice creams over the top. After that, you can add any toppings you like. I've gone for strawberry sauce, a large helping of squirty cream, and then of course some gold and silver sprinkles to finish. And there you have it. Our ultimate Harry Potter inspired Knickerbocker Glory is complete. So there you have it, our third frozen treat in a row. Who knows what we'll get next week? I feel like Elsa has cursed us with frozen treats this winter, but you never know. So if you want to see what next week has in store, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell, and I will see you on Monday.